Hello everyone, my name is Rupini Gunalan. Today I'm going to present PBT1 for subject scaling network. Okay, first of all, this is the question that are given. So in the question, the requirement is the requirement that they ask in this question is minimum one multi-layer switch, Cisco 3560, the latest version. Then minimum 3 switches, 2960, and minimum 3 workstations. Okay, also the console cables to configure the Cisco IS device via the console ports. Okay, so this is my logical topology. So as y'all can see, I'll assign the multi-layer switch and 3 switches, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and 3 PC1, PC2, PC3. Next is addressing table. Okay, so this is my addressing table. So I'll create IPv4 and IPv6 addressing table and also VLAN table. So now I'm going to show physical topology. So this is my physical topology. So I'll assign the multi-layer switch, switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. Then the wire all connected. Okay, now we are going to see multi-layer switch. Okay. So now I'm going to do the basic configuration as they ask for. Okay. So I'll assign the password for the multi-layer switch, which is Cisco. Enable. Another password is class. Okay. Also, I'll assign hostname as MLS. Okay. Next is show IP interface brief. The side, this one. Okay, as we can see here, I'll assign all the multi-layer switch interfaces IP address, which is gigabit 0/2 is up, and VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 99, all I'll assign the IP address and the status all up. Okay, now we're gonna see show interface gigabit 0/1. Okay, here we can see gigabit 0/1 is up, line protocol is up, connected. Okay, next is we enter and show interface gigabit 0/2. Okay, so as we can see here, gigabit internet 0/2 is up and line protocol is up, connected. So now we're gonna show startup config. Okay, enter. Okay, here we can see the host name as assigned as MLS, and I'll assign IP routing. So we enter. Okay, we set spanning tree mode is activate. Okay, then enter. Okay. Okay, here we can see interface gigabit 0/1. Okay, I'll assign switch port trunk native VLAN 99, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, and for the interface gigabit 0/2 is I'll assign the IP address is 10.159.16.129 space the subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay, next is the interface VLAN 13. I'll assign the IP address as 10.159.16.1 the subname mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay. Next is interface VLAN 14. The IP address that I assigned is 10.159.16.65. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay, last is interface VLAN 99. I'll assign the IP address as 10.159.99.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay. Lastly, I'll assign the password for the basic configuration as I show in the earliest, which is Cisco and class. Okay, now we're going to see in switch 1. So in switch 1, okay, for the basic configuration, I'll assign the password, which is Cisco, enable, and class. Okay, so now show IP interface brief. Okay, here we can see that I'll assign the password for VLAN 99, which is 10.159.99.15. So the protocol is up. Okay, next is show VLAN brief. Okay, so here we can see the VLAN 13. I'll assign the name as staff, and for the VLAN 40, the name is faculty, and VLAN 99 is the name is student. Okay, next we're gonna see in the switch 2. Okay, for the basic configuration, I did the I'll assign the password. So Cisco enable class. Okay, now we're gonna I'm gonna show IP interface brief. Okay. Okay. For the VLAN 99, I'll assign the IP address, which is 10.159.99.16. So the protocol is up. So the next command is show VLAN brief. Okay, so here we can see that the VLAN 13 as assign the name as staff. For the VLAN 40, the name is faculty, and VLAN 99 is the name is student. Okay, next we're gonna do in switch 3. Okay, so here is the same. For the basic configuration, I'll assign the password. So the password is Cisco enable, and password is class. Okay, show IP interface brief. Okay, enter. Okay, we can okay, I'll assign the VLAN 99 IP address, which is 10.159.99.17. Okay, the protocol is up. Okay, the next command is show VLAN brief. Okay, I'll set the name for the VLAN 13 is staff. For the VLAN 14, the name is faculty, and for the VLAN 99 is the name is student. Okay, now we go to the multi-layer switch. Okay, I'll show the show VLAN brief. Okay, here also same. I'll set the VLAN 99. The name is staff. For the VLAN 40, the name is faculty, and for the VLAN 99 is the name is students. Okay, so the next command is show interface trunk. Okay, so as we can see is the port gigabit 0/1, the mode is on, the encapsulation is normal, and status is trunking, and native VLAN is 99. Okay, for the port gigabit 0/1 is the VLAN is VLAN 13 and 40 and 99. Okay, now we're gonna see switch 1. Okay, show interface trunk. Okay, as we can see here, the port fast Ethernet 0/2, fast Ethernet 0/3, and gigabit 0/1. The mode is on for all the port, and the encapsulation is all normal, and status is trunking for all the three ports, and the native VLAN is 99. Okay, the port for the fast Ethernet 0/2 and fast Ethernet 0/3 and gigabit 0/1. The port that I assigned is 13, VLAN 13, VLAN 14, and VLAN 99. Okay, next is on switch 2. Show interface brief. Show interface trunk. Okay, so here we can see the port fast Ethernet 0/3 and fast Ethernet 0/4. The mode is on, encryption is normal, and the status is trunking, native VLAN 99 for both port. Okay, so here we can see the port for the fast Ethernet 0/3, fast Ethernet 0/4. The VLAN that I assigned is VLAN 13, 14, and 99. Okay, now we can see, we go and see in switch 3. Okay, switch show interface trunk. Okay, here the port is fast Ethernet 0/2 and fast Ethernet 0/4. The mode is on, the encapsulation is normal, and status is trunking. The native VLAN is 99. Okay. For the port fast Ethernet 0/2 and fast Ethernet 0/4 is the VLAN that I assigned is VLAN 13, 14, and 99. Okay, now we're going to see in PC1 the IPv address. Desktop IP configuration. Okay, the IPv4 address is for the PC1 10.159.16.130. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. Okay, the default gateway is 10.159.16.129. Okay, next is PC2. Okay, desktop IP configuration. Okay, IPv4 address for the PC2 is 10.159.16.17. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. The default gateway is 10.159.16.1. Next is on PC3. Next on IP configuration. Okay, the IPv4 address for the PC3 is 10.159.16.68. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. The default gateway is 10.159.16.65. Okay. Okay, now we go to the multi-layer switch. So here we type show IPv6 interface and interface. Okay, so here we can see the gigabit 0/2 is up, line protocol is up, and then the IPv6 address I already assigned, and the subnet mask also. And so down here we can see for the VLAN 13, the line protocol is up, and I also assigned the IPv6 address for the VLAN 13. And also the link list is next is VLAN 40 is up, line protocol is up. The link local address I already assigned, and also IPv6 for the VLAN 14 IP address is already assigned. Okay, the last is VLAN 99. Line protocol is up, and link local address is I already assigned, and also IPv6 address is already assigned. Okay. Okay, now we go to the switch 1. Okay, show IPv6 interface. Okay, here we can see the VLAN 99 is up. Line local address is already assigned, and the IPv6 address is already assigned. Next is on switch 2. We have to put password first, enable class, show IPv6 interface. Okay, so here we can see the VLAN 99 is up, line protocol is up, and IPv6 enable line local address is already assigned, and IPv6 address also already assigned. The next is switch 3. Okay, Cisco password, enable class. Okay, show IPv6 interface. Okay, here also we can see the VLAN 99 is up, line protocol is up, and link local address already assigned, and IPv6 address also already assigned. Okay, next we go and check on PC1. Okay, so IPv6 address for the PC1 is, and link local address and default gateway. Okay, next is on PC2. Okay, this is the PC2 IPv6 address. I already assigned IPv6 address, link local address, and default gateway address for the PC2. And next is on PC3. Okay, the PC3 IPv6 address and link local address I already assigned, and default gateway also I already assigned. Okay, now we are going to ping IPv4 addresses. So now we're gonna ping PC2 from PC1. Okay, so we go to PC1, copy the IPv4 address, then go to PC2. Okay, command prompt ping. Okay. So here is the result amount, and we have to do one. Okay, next is we're going to ping. Okay, so next is we're going to ping PC3 to PC2. Okay, we go to PC3 and copy the IP address from the PC3 and go to PC2. Command prompt ping. Okay, paste. Okay. Request timeout. Okay, then here we get the reply for the lead. Okay, next is we're gonna ping from PC1 to PC3. So we go to PC1, copy the IPv4 address from the PC1, and gonna ping on PC3. Ping, paste, enter. So here we're getting the reply. Okay. Now we are going to ping for IPv6 addresses. Okay, first is we're gonna ping from PC1 to PC2. So we're gonna go to PC1. 1. Okay, correct. Copy the IPv6 address. Then go to PC2. Ping the IPv6 address from PC1. Enter. So here we're getting the reply. Okay, next is we're going to ping from PC2 to PC3. So we go to PC3, copy the IPv6 address. Then go to PC2. Okay, now we're going to ping the PC3 IPv6 address. Paste. So here we're getting reply. Okay. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you.